Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. You can't tell from there, but I'll show you in here. And look at this. It's a huge pack of like little stretchy gummy things. I'll show you. I'm just gonna open it up. I want to try to keep the bag intact because I got a million of them. So this is what they look like here. I'll take out one of this color. So you got them. They are a little individually wrapped. I'm gonna open it up here and I'll show you what I'm talking about, what it is. And it is a sticky, gooey, gummy, stretchy guy. Look at that. Just a fun little toy to play with. So if you gotta give a little toy or kids, or maybe Halloween or something like that, this would be great for like handing out to people because it's just not a candy and it's something fun to have. Look at that. How cute is this little guy? This guy's awesome. And he's got a little happy smiley face. And they all look the same for the most part, just different colors. You can see them in there. So there's a lot of them and they are super duper cute. I like them. So these are them. So if you need a bunch of these, pick it up. Thumbs up.